Morning everybody, welcome to a new video. Welcome to Wellswood in Torquay. So why Wellswood, you would say? Well, this is a very to-do area and we're going to take a short walk to what is now Sachs Lodge, but was actually the site of the Glen Eagles Hotel, which was the inspiration for Fawlty Towers. So stick with me, it's only a few minutes down the road. This is one of those areas of Torquay that's, I think, quite well to do would be a good description. Past the primary school here, we're actually in Wellswood. It's a Sunday. It's not been raining, which is obviously good. Just walking past Ilsham Primary School on our left here, and down the road. This is a good time to ask, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and helps me enormously. And if you like this video, why not drop me a like? Maybe you stayed at the original Glen Eagles Hotel. What was it like? Did you meet the original owner, the inspiration? And I'll read you a few of his stories. But if we carry on all the way down this road, we'll come to Meadfoot Beach, which I've covered in a video recently actually with the storm damage, but we'll also come past Kent's Cavern, so maybe that's for a future video. But as we walk past the various shops, restaurants, etc., we're going to head down and we're just going to turn to our left in a second. A busy little road this, actually. As you can tell by all the cars going past. Runners out. I've just back from London actually. You can see all the runners in the London video. So it tends to be a sport you do wherever. But we're going to turn left up here and head to what is now Sachs Lodge. It is the original Glen Eagles Hotel was knocked down. There were a couple of plans, I believe, in place, but when somebody new bought the hotel, they made a go of it as well as they could, and in the end closed it and sold it to a retirement company. So it's now one of those ubiquitous retirement apartment complexes. And I did actually have a check on Rightmove before I came out, and a 2-bedroom one was selling for 300,000. So that gives you an idea of the kind of cost. But literally we just walk up this hill. I don't know if any of you remember Fawlty Towers. I'm sure you do if you've come to this video, but it was a hit comedy series of the 70s and I think the early 80s as well. And it was based on, John Cleese wrote it with his then wife Connie Booth. He used the owner of this hotel as the inspiration, so that obviously the location's still here, but the hotel is long gone. So here you go. You can just see it ahead of us here. Sachs Lodge, named after Andrew Sachs, of course, who played Manuel in the series. And it's great to see there is actually a blue pack which will just cross over and read. Cross over carefully. Here we go. There we go, Sachs Lodge, previously the Glen Eagles Hotel. The hotel and its staff became the inspiration for the 70s TV series Fawlty Towers. It's now a retirement complex. I will put in a ticker below some of the stories, but I think one of the ones that made me laugh was the then owner who threw, I think I might say, Eric Idle's suitcase out the window because he thought it was a bomb. So what inspiration. And that was all to do with when Monty Python's Flying Circus stayed here when they were doing a show in Paynton. But I'll put some more of the stories in the ticker. Thank you for watching. Panning back now down towards Wellswood. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.